Pink's for girls. Oh yeah? Well, if pink's for girls, then explain why the manliest man of all time is wearing pink in this picture.
Sibling anthem check!
Hi, I am the oldest, I'm the leader of the pack, and all my other siblings just be riding off my back. I'm basically the parent, I keep everyone in line. I've never had a hand-me-down, my shoes they always shine.
Hi, we are the middles and we're always overlooked. Rules were made for us to break, which leaves our siblings shook.
Hand-me-downs are all we know, nothing's ever new.
You hate us cause you ain't us, but trust us, it's the truth.
Hi, I am the youngest, I'm my family's pride and joy. My siblings were irrelevant the day that I was born. I walk into the room, all the attention goes to me. I get anything I want with just a mommy, daddy.
Girl, you know I want you.
This video, we coded it so that I am in love with George Not Found. I love women and also George Not Found.
We're tied up. Oh no. Untie me, Dream.
How did you die?
I don't know. It's almost like it tells you how, Dream.
I've got you a woman. Bad news, she's American.
Bees! Oh my god, I love bees.
Did you know, apparently I once blew up a nation and killed everyone.
Someone just said go white boy go.
Shut your mom! Shut your entire mom! Your entire mom is shut! Oh my god, your dog water!
You know what? I'm just gonna stare off into the distance because I'm just sad. I'm just very sad. You know?
Not even close, baby! Technoblade never died!
Nigga wanna see me
Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha Gomez and a white 3 on my
in the Cadillac. Girls, put some miles on it.
Anything you want, just to put a smile on it.
You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's
what I like.
I like.
Why aren't you singing puns?
She's just not
Baby, I want it and I just be honest, cause I just can't front when I look at you.
You know what?
Just keep it 100 when I
If
throw
the
these
crown
hundreds. I hope
fits,
that your ass gon'
wear it.
That's my show. That's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. You don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit. That's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. You don't be scared, I ain't afraid.
Go!
We. Da-da-da-da-da.
I might only have one match,
It was never meant to be.
but I can make an explosion. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Cause I'm alright. Oh my god! My power's turned on. So right now I'll be strong.
It's the return of the all.
Oh wait, no wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing you idiots, Dr. Dre's dead, he's locked in my basement. Feminist women love him and them. Chicka, Slim Shady, I'm sick of him. Look at him, walking around, rapping his...
You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time to keep you off my mind.
John Smith, I'm ending this.
Let's ride. Let's ride.
John Smith.
My heart went. Oops. Scrabble for Flint.
I already got Globble.
I already got Globble.
Why are you driving in a zigzag?
You know her. That's how you get away from crocodiles. It's like Minecraft.
Anyway, guys, that's the end of the series. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that like button just like I smashed your mom.
Going on a trip, Illumina's shit.
Take me for a ride. Pick me up, Dad.
Oh no.
Back at me, I gave a move. That ain't a problem, I know where we go. She had them.
You are not good enough for my daughter, and I don't want you around her. End of story.
So why don't you give me one more?
I just hope she don't wanna leave.
Man, this happened 1, 2, 3 times too much.